Today, we'll explore countryside idioms, which are English expressions related to the countryside. The countryside refers to rural areas outside of cities, and idioms are phrases that have a different meaning than their literal words. Idioms add colour and depth to our language. Let's discover some countryside idioms together. The first idiom, as fresh as a daisy. This idiom means feeling refreshed and full of energy, just like a blooming daisy in the countryside. You could use this idiom after a good night's sleep. You might wake up feeling as fresh as a daisy. The second idiom today, to be at one with nature. This expression means feeling a deep connection with the natural world. It describes a sense of peace when surrounded by beautiful nature. Imagine sitting by a peaceful river, listening to the birds singing and feeling at one with nature. The third idiom, to be a breath of fresh air. This idiom describes someone or something that brings a refreshing change or a new perspective. It's like stepping out into the countryside and breathing in the crisp, clean air. Meeting a friendly, open-minded person can be a breath of fresh air in our lives. The fourth and last idiom, to be free as a bird. This expression represents a sense of freedom and independence, like a bird flying through the open sky. It describes someone who feels free and independent. Oh, I remember the days when I felt as free as a bird. Remember, idioms are not always literal, and their meanings can be different from the individual words. Understanding idioms helps us communicate more naturally and express ourselves creatively. Now, it's your turn. In the comments, share a countryside idiom or any idiom you know, or create your own idiom. You can use words like nature, fresh, or freedom to describe your idiom. I look forward to reading your idioms. One more idiom for today, unrelated to the countryside. Until we meet again.